Good evening, everyone. I am Sai Chandra, and my today's topic is interpretation and report writing. Introduction. After collecting and analyzing the data, the researcher has to accomplish the task of drawing inferences followed by report writing. This has to be done very carefully, otherwise, misleading conclusion may be drawn and the whole purpose of doing research may get destroyed. It is only through interpretation that the researcher can expose relations and processes that underlie his findings. Meaning of interpretation. Interpretation refers to the task of drawing inferences from the collected facts after an analytical or experimental study. Interpretation has two major aspects. First one, the effort to establish continuity in research through linking the results of a given study with those of another. The second one is the establishment of some explanatory concepts. Thus, interpretation is the device through which the factors that seems to explain what has been observed by the researcher in the course of the study can be better understood, and it also provides a theoretical conception which can serve as a guide for further researches. Why interpretation? Interpretation is essential because the usefulness and utility of research findings lie in proper interpretation. It is being considered a basic component of research process because of the following reasons. First one, it is through interpretation that the researcher can well understand the abstract principle that works beneath his findings. Through this, he can link up his findings with those of other studies having the same abstract principle and thereby can predict about the concrete world of events. The second one is interpretation leads to the establishment of explanatory concepts that can serve as a guide for future research studies. It opens new avenues of intellectual adventure and stimulates the quest for more knowledge. Researcher can better appreciate only through interpretation why his findings are what they are and can make others to understand the real significance of his research findings. Fourth one, the interpretation of the findings of exploratory research study often result into hypotheses for experimental research, and as such interpretation is involved in the transition from exploratory to experimental research. Since an exploratory study does not have a hypothesis to start with, the findings of such a study have to interpreted on a post factum basis, in which case the interpretation is technically described as post factum interpretation. Technique of interpretation. The task of interpretation is not an easy job. It requires a great skill on the part of researcher. Interpretation is an art that one learns through practice and experience. The researcher may at times seek the guidance from experts for accomplishing the task of interpretation. The technique of interpretation often involves the following step. Researcher must give reasonable explanations of the relations which he has found, and he must interpret the lines of relationship in terms of the underlying processes, and must try to find out the thread of uniformity that lies under the surface layer of his diversified research findings. In fact, this is the technique of how generalization should be done and concept be formulated. The second technique is extraneous information, if collected during the study, must be considered while interpreting the final results of research study, for it may prove to be a key factor in understanding the problem under consideration. Third technique, it is advisable before embarking upon final interpretation to consult someone having insight into the study and who is frank and honest and will not hesitate to point out omissions and errors in logical argumentation. Such a consultation will result in correct interpretation and thus will enhance the utility of research study. Fourth one, the researcher must accomplish the task of interpretation only after considering all relevant factors affecting the problem to avoid false generalization. He must be in no hurry while interpreting the results, for quite often this conclusion, which appear to be all right at the beginning, may not at all be accurate. Precautions in interpretation. One should always remember that even if the data are properly collected and analyzed, wrong interpretation would lead to inaccurate conclusion. It is therefore absolutely essential that the task of interpretation be accomplished with patience in an impartial manner and also in correct perspective. Researcher must pay attention to the following points for correct interpretation. First one is, at the outset, researcher must invariably satisfy himself that the data are appropriate, trustworthy, and advocate for drawing inferences. The data reflect good homogeneity. Proper analysis has been done through statistical method. Second one is, the researcher must remain cautious about the errors that can possibly arise in the process of interpreting results. Error can arise due to false generalization or due to wrong interpretation of statistical measures, such as the application of findings beyond the range of observations, identification of correlation with causation, and belike. Another major pitfall is the tendency to affirm that definite relationships exist on the basis of confirmation of particular hypothesis. Third one, he must always keep in view that the task of interpretation is very intertwined with analysis and cannot be distinctly separated. Fourth one, his task is not only to make sensitive observation of relevant occurrences, but also to identify and disengage the factors that are initially hidden to the eye. This will enable him to do his job of interpretation on proper lines. Fifth one, the researcher must remember that ideally, in the course of a research study, there should be constant interaction between initial hypothesis, empirical observation, and theoretical conceptions. It is exactly in this area of interaction between theoretical orientation and empirical observation that opportunities for originality and creativity lie. He must pay special attention to this aspect while engaged in the task of interpretation. Significance of report writing. Research report is considered a major component of the research study, for the research task remains incomplete till the report has been presented or written. Writing of report is the last step in a research study and requires a set of skills. Report writing consists of the history and facts of a project or any kind of event. It is useful for recording a past history, and an overall summary of decisions. Report writing helps as a path to solve problems. Writing a report guides you in a way to modernize details about improvements and upcoming plans. Thank you.